Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to our platform of National IAS, and today we are going to deal with age and calendar. So yes, my dear students, this is extremely important topic with lots of previous year question from this topic. So this is extremely important. Let us begin our chapter from start, that is age and calendar. But before I will go ahead, I will try to give you a brief about the questions which we are going to solve. Understood? Am I clearly audible and visible? Please confirm anyone if anyone is there. Okay. So yes, my dear students, first question in front of you is in 2002, Minu's age was one third of the age of Mira. Am I audible or visible? Please check. So yes, thank you Karthikeyan for confirming that. Actually on my screen it was not clearly visible whether I am live or not. Yeah. So yes, let us move ahead. First question I hope is extremely clear. In 2002, Minu's age was one third of the age of Mira, whereas in 2010, Minu's age was half of the age of Mira. What is Minu's year of birth? We will definitely solve this. This is extremely easy question for those who are in habit or in practice of solving calendar or age related questions. Understood? So yeah, definitely we will solve it. Second question which we are going to solve is Anna was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Oh, Karthikeyan, you know the answer. That's cool. Cool. How come you know it? Okay. Her mother is 3 years younger than her father and 24 years older than Anna, who is 13 years old. At what age did Anna's father get married? Okay, the third question is the age of a man is 3 times the sum of the age of his two sons. 5 years hence, his age will be double of the sum of ages of his son. The father's present age is. Understood? Okay, that's cool, Karthikeyan. That's awesome. Hai na? So yeah, definitely practice makes a man perfect. Okay. Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of first child falls on 5th Monday of April. That of the second falls on 5th Thursday of November. On which day is the birthday of his third child, which falls on 20th September. So these are the questions, few questions related to age and calendar which have been asked. There were many more questions. Please remember, there were many more questions which we could have dealt over here. Now, my dear students, let me take you towards the theory part. So before we move forward, usually we discuss the theory part. In calendar, if I will say, please do not try to mug up all these theory. You all understand that in calendar and age, specifically age related problem, in age related problem, go by the words of question. Understood? Don't try to mug up these things. It's just a methodology which you have to follow. Understood? Just like Karthikeyan has said, yes, practice only makes a man perfect, right? Same way with practice, you will not need this theory and all those things. You just need to go through all those. But yeah, definitely let me give it to you. For example, in question we often give age of, let us say, A and B is given in the ratio of x upon y. 5 years later, the ratio will become, let us say, P upon Q. So please remember here what you will do. In the present age, you have to add 5. That will become P upon Q. Understood? Sometimes they will give 5 years backside or maybe 3 before 5 years, right? So that will become A minus 5 upon B minus 5 is equal to, let us say, P upon Q or A upon B, whatever is you want, whatever is given. Understood? So what will happen? Two unknowns are there, A and B, right? A and B. Two equations will be given to you and that will be easily solvable. Understood? This also, no need to mug up this shortcut trick or formula. Just go by the basics and try to solve it instantly on spot. Understood? Is it clear? Okay. Here is something which we should definitely discuss. Please remember, this is related to calendar. Understood? So So my dear students, please remember the world started on Sunday. God was free on that day and he created this world. Understood? So our calendar starts on Sunday. Please remember this thing. Our calendar starts on Sunday. That is 00000 was starting on Sunday, right? And then for moving forward, you can easily calculate that. How to calculate that we will discuss. But before that, let me tell you the difference between an ordinary year and leap year. Do you know this difference? How to find a leap year? What is ordinary year? Please comment in the comment section. Ordinary year is nothing but any year which has 365 days, right? In leap year, this number of days goes to 366. That is one additional day, right? I won't delve into the science behind it because it is related with the revolution time of Earth. This is related with revolution time of Earth. You all have to find it in geography related lecture. But for now, let us consider that this happens, right? Leap year will have 366 days. Now, my dear students, since we are trying to deal with weeks, we are trying to find days. So what will happen? You divide this 365 by 7. The moment you will divide it by 7, you will get 52 complete weeks and this will become 364, that is 1. That means 1 will be additional day. So 1 extra day and 52 complete weeks. So please remember, this is the definition of ordinary years. You have to remember the odd number of days or extra days in each and everything. Clear? Now my dear students, we will talk about leap years. Again over here what will happen? 52 complete weeks will be there and 2 extra days will be there. Understood? Because 366, if you will divide that by 7, you will still get 52 weeks, but 2 days will be extra, that is 2 will be the remainder. Understood? Now my dear students, how to find a leap year? That is important. Understood? So my dear students, you all know the general definition says that leap year is nothing but any year divisible by 4. Except is very important. Please remember, except for a century. That means if I will say 2000, was this a leap year? Was this a leap year? Yes or no? If you will look carefully, please remember, as per this statement, except for a century, it may seem that this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. And this is a century, obviously, but this is wrong. Please remember, this is wrong. Why? Because it is applicable any century which is not divisible by, except for a century, not divisible by 400. So please remember, 2000 is divisible by 400 and this implies that it was a leap year. It was a leap year. Now my dear students, 1700. This is again a century. Is it a leap year? Is it a leap year? Yes, Karthikeyan. That's great. That's really great. You are brilliant actually. So 1700. Is it a leap year? Please tell me. Obviously no. Yes, thank you. That's great, Karthikeyan. Why? Because this is not divisible by 400. This is not divisible by 400. That is why it is not a leap year. So please remember this definition. There is small technicality in this. What is that? Except for a leap year not divisible by 400. Understood? Understood this thing? Yes. Now my dear students, let us go towards discussion about odd days. Extra days apart from complete weeks in a given period are called odd days, right? So ordinary year has 1 odd day, we have seen it, while a leap year has 2 odd days. Now my dear students, you know that in some months there are 31 days, in some months there are 30 days, and in February month it is either 28 or 29, right? So wherever there will be 31 days, please remember, number of odd days will be equal to 3. How I found out? See, 28 is divisible by 7, right? Or in another way you can put it like 31 divided by 7, 4 is 28, and that is coming out to be 3. Understood? Now my dear student, 31 after that, suppose the month is of 30 days, please remember here, how many odd days will be there? 2 odd days will be there. 2 odd days will be there. Understood? Now my dear students, there will be third category. That is February. That is Feb. Here if 28 days are there, there will be 0 odd days. If 29 days are there, there will be 1 odd day. I hope everyone agrees with this, is concurring with me. Everyone is concurring with me, right? So here there is a table which you can refer for your usage. Please remember, for a month to be counted as complete, it must cross its 31st. It must cross its last day, that is 30 or 31st, right? We will see to it how to apply it, but for now please remember these things. Please remember these things. I hope all of you can understand how to find which month have 31 days, which month have 30 days. So there is a knuckle method. Start from the first knuckle, that is January. Since it is on knuckle, it will be having 31 days. Then February, then March, then April, then May, then June, July, then August, September, October, November, December, right? So that is quite basic thing. I hope all of you understand that. My dear students, please remember, in an ordinary day there will be 1 odd day. In a leap year there will be 2 odd days. In a century, that is 100 years, there will be 5 odd days. Please remember, in a century 5 odd days will be observed. In 300 years 1 odd day will be there, and in 400 years there will be 0 odd day. Please remember, 0 odd day will be there. Understood? Yes. As 400th year is leap year, therefore 1 more day has been taken. Obviously previously we have taken it, so please remember, similarly, since each of the 800 years, 1200 years, 1600 years, 2000 years, 2400 years have no odd day. Understood? For example, if I ask you, my dear students, what was the day on 1st of January 1800? So my dear students, how will you solve it? See, 1st of January 1600 will be what? It will be Sunday. Why? Because I told you the world was made on Sunday, right? So there is 0 odd day, that means it will be Sunday, right? Now there is a gap of 200 years, and you know that in this 200 years, if you look carefully, how many, if you see in one century, how many days are there? 5 odd days are there, right? So please remember, there will be 10 odd days in this, 10 odd days in this, right? There will be 10 odd days in this. Please remember this thing, right? Understood? If I will talk about 10 odd days, that means extra how many days will be there? 10 divided by 7. Remainder will be 3. That means 3 extra days. 3 extra days, right? 3 odd days. So Sunday, after that count 3. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So you know that Wednesday will be 1st of Jan 1800. Understood? Yes, Karthikeyan, that's awesome. So I hope this is clear. Understood as well, right? Yes. Remember the adjacent table. Obviously you all know that table was there. This table was there. Please remember, you should mug it up. If not mug it up, please have that sense that okay, 31 days are there, then 3 odd days will be there. 30 days are there, then 2 odd days will be there. Understood? Okay. First day of century must be Tuesday, Thursday or Saturday. Please remember, first day should be either of these. The last day of century cannot be Tuesday, Thursday or Saturday, right? In an ordinary year, February has no odd days. In leap year, February has 1 odd day. So yes, please remember all these questions, all these theory is important. Now my dear students, let us go back and try to solve the questions which we had picked up. In 2000, Minu's age, so I will write her as MN. Okay? Age was 1/3 of the age of Meera. So I will write her as R or MR. Anything is fine, MR or R, right? Here I could have written N, and that would have saved my work. Whereas in 2010, please remember this was in 2002. Now 2010 has come. Minu's age was half the age of Meera. What is Minu's year of birth? So my dear students, please remember, I will talk first about 2002. What is happening here? Minu's age is 1/3 of R's age. Understood? Now we are going to 2010. 2010 means plus 8 years, right? So what I will do, n plus 8, because everyone's age increases linearly. So n plus 8 is equal to 1/2, half of the age of Meera. So R plus 8. Understood this thing? Is there any doubt in this step? I hope no, right? I hope so that there is no doubt. My dear students, n plus 8 is equal to R divided by 2 plus 4, right? Now you know that R is equal to 3n. R is equal to 3n. So now I will put this value into this. This will become n plus 8 rather I will shift this 8 as well over here, or maybe 4 to this side, right? So my dear students, you know that n plus 8 minus 4 is equal to 3n divided by 2. 3n divided by 2. So after solving this, you will get 4 is equal to 3n divided by 2 minus n. Right? 4 is equal to 3n divided by 2 minus n. My dear students, if you will solve it, you will get n by 2. And obviously this implies that n is equal to 8. Understood? Wait. Is there any error? Please remember, Minu's age was 8 years, right? 8 years. Minu was 8 years in 2002. Minu was 8 years in 2002. So now, my dear students, you have to tell the year of birth. So please remember 2002 minus 8. How much will it be? It will be 1994. That is B. Understood, everyone? That is B. And as Karthikeyan had already predicted it, it is 1994. So please remember, this is extremely clear. This should be extremely clear to all of you. Yes, Karthikeyan. Thank you for that, right? Anna was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Yes, correct. Awesome, Karthikeyan. Hai na? Her mother is 3 years younger than her father. So let us note it. Anna was born is equal to 4 years plus marriage. Understood? Hai na? Then her mother is 3 years younger than father. So F minus 3. And Anna, her mother is 24 years older than Anna, who is 13 years old. So Anna's age herself is 13 years old. 13 plus 24. I hope all of you are agreeing with this. This will become 37. So my dear students, you know that F minus 3 is equal to 37, right? So that will mean that father's age will be nothing but 40 at this point of time. But you know that at the same point of time, Anna's age is 13. And at what age did Anna's father got married? That is the question. When Anna's father got married, at what age, right? So to find that marriage age, what we should do, since Anna is 13 years old, obviously we have to subtract 13 because we have to go 13 years back when Anna was just being born, and Anna's birth was 4 years after marriage. So obviously we have to go 4 years further back because at that time both of them will get married. So my dear students, this is becoming 40 minus 17, that is equal to 23, right? B is the correct answer. Everyone is getting it? Everyone is getting it? Yes, Karthikeyan. That's great. That's awesome. Hannah, Karthikeyan? Yes. Now this is the next question. The age of a man is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 sons, right? 5 years hence his age will be double of the sum of ages of his sons. Father's present age is, so let us say father is equal to 3 times S1 plus S2, right? Understood? 5 years hence, that means F plus 5 is equal to 3 times S1 plus S2. My dear students, please remember, S1 will get 5 years older. S2 will also get 5 years older. So there will be S1 plus 5 plus 5 plus S2 plus 5. Understood? So this will become 3 S1 plus S2 plus 10. Understood? Sorry, this will be 2 times. 2 times. As per question, this is 2 times. Right? 2 times. So please remember, F plus 5 is equal to how much? 2 times S1 plus S2 plus 20. Everyone is clear about this? Now I can shift this 5 to this side. F will become equal to 2 times S1 plus S2 is plus 20 minus 5. So that will become plus 15. Now my dear students, look very carefully. S1 plus S2 must be replaced. Why should it be replaced? Because that will become F by 3. Yes, Karthikeyan, you are correct. F is equal to 2 times F by 3 plus 15. I am showing each and every step because I want you not to get confused. In examination setup, when you will solve it, you will make sure that you are not writing each and every step. Some things should be calculated in the mind itself. Understood? For example, you should write this equation, but you should not always write all these things, right? Just go by the mental calculation. Now you know that this is one term. You will shift it towards this. This will become F by 3 is equal to 15, and that F will become 15 into 3, that is equal to 45. If there is any doubt, please ask me. Yes, Karthikeyan, you are correct. Understood this thing? Okay. Now, my dear students, this is the last question of the day as far as I remember. Yes. Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of the first child falls on 5th Monday of April. This was a tough question. To be frank, prima facie, if you will see this first time, it is tough question. But yes, if you will try to apply the mind, you will be very easily able to solve it. How? See, in a month we have talked, it is always 4 weeks and plus 1 day or 2 day, right? For any day to repeat, right? April is 30 days month, है ना? 30 days month. So obviously it will be 2 days. 2 days will be extra, right? For any day to repeat 5th time, for any day to repeat 5th time, that is 5th of Monday, what should happen? It should fall on either 29th of April or 30th of April, है ना? So either of these should be Monday. So let us try first 29th of April, right? 29th of April, if I will see, and case 1, this will be case 1, this will be case 2, right? So I will pick up case 1, please look carefully, case 1, right? So my dear students, if I will take up case 1, 29th April is equal to Monday. This is my case 1, right? What I will write? April, May, again 29th, then May, June, July, August, September, October, and at the end it will be November, right? At the end it will be November. So please remember 5th Thursday of November. So we have to go till November, right? Everywhere you can add 29, 29, 29 for ease of understanding, right? 29. So my dear students, 29th May, how many extra days? See, we have not completed 30 May or 31st May, right? 31st May we have not crossed. What we will consider? We will consider it of previous month. We will consider it of previous month. So please remember, in April there were 30 days, so extra days are 2. Till 29th June there is 31 days, so again 3, right? July is meant for 2, June is meant for 2, July is meant for 3, August is again 3, right? September will become 2, October will be, October will become 2 and November will become 3. Understood? So my dear students, if I will try to add these up, 2 plus 3 plus 2, so 4, wait, this top 4 is 10, right? 10 plus 3, 3, 16, 17, 18. So this is coming out to be 18, right? If I will divide this 18 by 7, it will become 2s are 14. So this is coming out as 4. So my dear students, you know that 5th day, 5th or the 29th of April is Monday, right? Let me count this 29th of November, 4 days after Monday. 4th day after Monday. So Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. You know that if 29th April is Monday, in that case, this 29th of November will become Friday. Understood? 30th of November will become Saturday. So my dear students, tell me one thing: is it possible to get 5th Thursday as November? 5th Thursday as in November? Obviously no. Obviously no. Please remember, yes, correct. Karthikeyan, you are very correct. But if you look carefully, 29th November cannot be Thursday, or 30th of November cannot be Thursday if 29th April is Monday. So what is the next case? Please remember, the right case will be case 2. Let me add one more slide. Just 1 second. Yeah. So yeah, case 2. My dear students, let us presume that 30th of April is Monday. Now again repeat the same process: April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November, right? So please remember over here, this should be very clear. April This will give us 2 days, right? May will give us 3 days. June will give us how much? Yes, yes, you are very correct. So 29th of November will become Thursday, right? 29th of November will become one day before, and that is why Thursday, right? Yes, Karthikeyan, thank you for that. 30th of November, if you add up, same thing will happen. Please remember, है ना? 30th of November will become 30th November will become how much? Tell me quickly. It will become Friday. So my dear students, in this case you can see that this Thursday will be nothing but 5th Thursday, right? 5th Thursday. Now 20th December date we have to predict. So you know that 20 days in December, 1 to 20 plus plus uh, one day of November, that is 30th of November, one day of November, that will become 21. That means the same day as on 29th of November, same day will be there, 30th of December, that is equal to Thursday. That is equal to Thursday, right? Understood? Because 21 will be there, na? No, Karthikeyan, please look at this. 234th day from the 30th of, yeah, you can also calculate that. But what I did, I calculated it with respect to November. Yes, correct. Awesome. So that is why how you should play with it. Please remember, all it requires is practice. The more and more you will practice, better you will become. So please never ever shy away from the practice. And here are 2 practice questions for you all. This is the first practice question. Please take screenshot. Please take screenshot. You can send me the answers on this WhatsApp number. And the second question is this one. This is also slightly tricky, but yes, definitely easy question. Please try to solve this. This is also related to calendar problem. Understood? Here please pay attention that you are crossing 31st March, that is why leap year will be counted. This was mental calculation. Oh, that's awesome, Karthikeyan. That is really good actually. That you can do so much good calculation. Nice, awesome. So please try to solve these 2 questions, and yes, with that I will wind up the session. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to us. Apart from that, also comments in the comment section. You can post your queries, doubts and feedbacks. Thank you and have a great day ahead.